I think we have already solved this question for t equal to 0 and steady state. Yes?
Yes, sir. We have done it.
Yes, we have
Yes,
done
sir.
it. Have we done this question?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Just try to solve this question.
Sir, 50 microcoulomb.
Each?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think 15 microcoulomb will be the answer.
Sir, 45 each.
45?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so. Okay. In steady state, what we can do, we can open those capacitors, right? 3 capacitors we will open.
Sir, 25.
Yes?
40 microcoulomb.
Yes, 40 microcoulomb. That is the answer. 40 microcoulomb will be the answer. Look, in steady state, all these capacitors will be opened. So I can just open these 3 branches. If I open these 3 branches, then my circuit becomes like this. This is one. I guess you can understand which branches I am drawing. Can you see only these branches will carry current and the rest 3 branches will have capacitors? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So if this is 12 volt, this is 0 volt, then these 3 resistors are in series, these 3 are in series, and these 3 are in series. Can you see that all these 3?
Sir, what's the answer?
Okay, I'm solving it. So this is 3 ohm, this is 8 ohm, this is 1 ohm. So what is the equivalent resistance for that series resistance? 12 ohm. So what is the current in each branch? Can I say 1 ampere current is flowing through each branch? If 1 ampere current is flowing, it is 0. So can I say this is 1 volt? This is 3 volt. This is 3 ohm. So that is also 3 volt. Sorry, this is 1 volt 1, and this is 3. Oh, okay, so this 3 volt is voltage drop. So 12 minus 3, I think it will be 9 volt. Right? Got this point? If this is 1, this is 1 volt, this is 1 ohm, so this is 1 volt, and this is 3 ohm, so I think this will be 3 voltage drop, so that will be again 9 volt. Right? So this is 3 voltage drop, that will be again 9 volt, and this is 1 voltage drop, 1 volt. Can you see the potential drop across each of the capacitors are same? That is 8 volt. Yes or no? So what will be the Q? Q is equal to C into delta V, that is equal to 40 microcoulomb will be the answer for this question. Look, now before going into this problem, we'll talk about the transient condition. right? Transient condition. We know initial state at t equal to 0. We can find the conditions for initial state for t equal to 0. We can find the condition in steady state. In steady state at t equal to infinity. Now we can find the transient condition. How I find the transient condition? Look, can I say that for any capacitor, that function, the charge as a function of time can be written as this form: q equal to a plus b e power minus t by tau. Can you relate this formula that we have discussed in last class, that if the capacitor had initial charge q naught, then the charge on the capacitor as a function of time was a function something like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if the charge on the capacitor is like this, and current in the capacitor will be minus b by tau into e power minus t by tau, like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can see that we have three unknowns to solve for charge as a function of time as well as the current as a function of time. What are the three unknowns? A, B and tau. So what three equations I can form? At t equal to 0, what is the value of charge? Is it q naught? Can I say q naught is equal to a plus b?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At t equal to 0, what is the current? The current is equal to minus b by tau only.
Yes.
T equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
And at t equal to infinity, what is the charge on the capacitor? That also we can find, yes or no? Steady state
Yes, sir.
charge. And from here, can I say steady state charge is A? As you put t equal to infinity, this function will become only A. Now this too will come from initial condition, and this will come from steady condition, steady state condition. And we can find in any circuit what is steady state condition, what is initial condition, we can find them, and then we can find all the functions accurately. Right? For example, let us take one example with that. Suppose there is a capacitor. Right? And suppose I have a switch like this. I have taken a very basic circuit, right? Like this. Suppose this is 6 ohm, this is 3 ohm, this is 1 ohm resistor, right? And the capacitor is 2 microfarad. At t equal to 0, I have closed that switch. Battery voltage is V. Suppose V equal to 4 volt. I have to find the charge on the capacitor, this plate, as a function of time. Right? So how I will do that? First, I have assumed that this charge Q is equal to A plus B into e power minus t by tau.
So the capacitor was initially charged.
Initially it was uncharged. You can assume the capacitor is charged also. Suppose, yes, let us assume, take a general value. Let us take that initial charge on the capacitor is equal to say 6, microcoulomb, right? So what I can write from these expressions? Can you find these three unknowns from exactly what I have said? Can you try to calculate what is the value of these three unknowns?
Yes.
Just try once, I will do it now.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, everyone?
না স্যার। স্যার এই আই নটটা কি মানে কোন কারেন্টটাকে বলছে?
t equal to 0 তে ক্যাপাস তোমার dq by dt, তুমি q কোনটা ধরেছো এটা?
আচ্ছা মানে
so dq by dt is this current.
ওকে ওকে। স্যার এখানে তো আমার আই নটটা 0 এসে গেল।
না, look, I can solve this circuit like this.
Sir, done.
Done. What's your answer?
First a plus b a. Sir, equation গুলো বলবো?
বলো ইকুয়েশন গুলো বলো।
a plus b equals to 6 minus b by tau equals to 16 by 3 আর a equals to 15 by 5 3s.
মাইনাস বি বাই টাও কি ঠিক বললে?
স্যার 16 বাই 2 16 বাই 27 আসছে মাইনাস b আর তাহলে a এর ভ্যালু 27
না 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 ভুল বললে, 16 বাই 27 আসবে না,
a এর ভ্যালু 8/3
এটা 4 by 27 আসবে।
yes I think এর ভ্যালু 8/3 হতে পারে, 8/3।
স্যার a এর ভ্যালু 8/3, b এর ভ্যালু 10/3 আর টাও এর ভ্যালু -90/16।
না, টাও এর ভ্যালু ভুল বললে। টাও এর ভ্যালু কখনোই নেগেটিভ আসবে না, টাও উইল
27/2
yes
27/2 microseconds।
টাও না না
minus 253/4.
no no no, tau is always positive, tau cannot be negative.
নেগেটিভ টার্মটা থেকে যাচ্ছে, পজিটিভ হচ্ছে না।
না,
টাও এর ভ্যালু
তাহলে
27/2 microseconds।
না, look, let us solve this question. Let us solve this question, okay? At t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, as soon as I close that switch, can I say that a charge capacitor behaves as a battery? Do you remember that?
Yes sir।
Charge capacitor behaves as a battery.
স্যার a এর ভ্যালুটা আরেকবার বলবেন একটু?
ক্যালকুলেট করি, আমার মনে হচ্ছে 8/3 আসবে।
স্যার 64 by 9 চলে আসছে।
Okay. Look to the solution, right? Whatever you have done, just check where you have gone wrong. Is that initial circuit as I have just closed that switch? Tell me, is that initial
Yes, sir.
circuit? So if this
Yes,
is
sir.
1 ohm, this is 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm, how much voltage it will be? 3 volt, because Q naught is equal to 6 microcoulomb divided by 2 microfarad is equal to 3 volt, and how much voltage it is?
4
4. So what will be the current in this branch that I have to calculate as I naught? Yes or no?
Yes sir।
Yes. So let us assume that current in this branch, how I can find? You can find a circuit, equivalent circuit also, or you can find
Nodal
it
analysis.
by superposition, anything. If I use superposition principle, right?
Sir, use nodal analysis now।
Using nodal analysis, okay, let us use it. If it is 0 volt, then it is 4 volt. Let us assume it to be x volt, then it will be x minus 3 volt, right? So at this point, or at this point, any point, let us assume at this point the total current is 0, right? So the total current is 0. I can say that the current leaving this branch is x minus 3 divided by 1. Yes or no? This current is x
Yes,
minus 3 divided by 1.
Yes sir।
So leaving current is x minus 3 divided by 1 minus 0. X minus 3 minus 0 divided by 1. If I say this current is also leaving, then this current will be x minus 0 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes sir।
If I say this current is also leaving, this current will be x minus 4 divided by 6. Yes or no?
Yes sir।
Can I make it 0?
Yes।
What is the value of x with that?
3 it is coming।
X equal to 3. 1, how x equal to 3? Alright, let me check. If I multiply it with 6, then 6x minus x equal to 6, so 18, plus 2x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 6x. 9x equal to 18 plus 4, 22. How x equal to 3?
Oh, sir, I have done that calculation mistake.
Yes. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 6x, 9x equal to, have I done it correct? 2x, yes, I think it is a correct calculation. So 22. So x equal to 22 by 9. Now can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me what is the current in this branch? Is it x minus 3 by 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So current is equal to 22 by 9 minus 3. How much it is?
Minus 5 by 9.
Minus 5 by 9. So minus 5 by 9 is equal to b by tau. Is that equation correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And a plus b equal to 6, that equation is also correct. Let me write down the equations here. A plus b is equal to 6, right? This is the equation, yes. A plus b equal to 6, number 1 equation. And second equation I can write I naught is equal to minus b by tau is equal to minus 5 by 9. Am I right in this equation also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now at t equal to infinity, how the circuit will look like? This is circuit at t equal to 0. Can you tell me how the circuit will look like at t equal to infinity?
Only 6 ohm and 3 ohm will be.
A series combination of resistors.
6 ohm and 3 ohm.
Yes. You all know this, but again you have done some mistakes in calculation, or somehow you have done some mistake. Yes. Look, this is 4 volt, this is 6 ohm, this is 3 ohm. So now what is the current in this branch? Is it 4 divided by 9 ampere current? It is flowing in this branch, yes or no? Then what is the voltage
sir.
drop across
Yes.
this capacitor? Can you tell me?
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
4 by
Yes.
3.
I into R. The voltage drop across capacitor is the same voltage drop across this 3 ohm resistor. So delta V from this calculation I can find delta V is equal to 4 by 9 into 3. So that is 4 by 3 volt, right? So can I say that delta V is this one? So what is Q naught? Q is equal to C delta V. So I can say 8 by 3 is equal to A. Can
Sir?
I write from the third equation? Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in that battery part. In when you were finding I naught, sir,
Yes.
in your case, I naught is coming out from the negative terminal of that battery.
Yes,
which,
yes.
That capacitor.
Yes, yes. No problem. I naught is also entering into the positive plate.
Sir, तो I naught टाके मने negative नहीं बोना.
Why? If it enters into positive plate, should I take it negative?
ना battery क्षेत्रे.
ব্যাটারির ক্ষেত্রে মানে আমি তো এই ডিরেকশনটাই ধরেছি I naught. I naught is negative already I have got. So the actual direction of current is in this direction, opposite direction. But I will take strictly this direction to be my positive current. That I have already said. That whatever is the plate, it may happen that while connecting this capacitor, initial charge on this plate is minus. That does not matter. If initial charge on this capacitor is minus in this plate, then also you will take this current to be positive. Why? Because you are trying to find the charge on this plate. তুমি কোন প্লেটে চার্জ বার করতে interested? If I am interested to find the charge in this plate, always I will assume this current to be positive, irrespective of its initial charge. Even if it is 0, I will take this current positive. Even if it is positive initial charge, I will take this positive. Even if it is negatively initial charge, I will again take it as positive. Because I have to write dq by dt positive. বলো?
ফার্স্ট প্লেটটা যদি নেগেটিভ থাকে তাহলে কি ব্যাটারি নেগেটিভ টার্মিনালটা ওটাকে
Yes.
রাখবো?
Yes. If this charge is negative, then initially I will only interchange the battery polarity. Rest of the thing will be same. Let the current be anything, plus, minus, 0, anything. That I will only take here.
স্যার যদি ব্যাটারি পোলারিটি চেঞ্জ না করি তাহলে অসুবিধা হবে
Polarity
মানে আমরা তো জানি না কোনটা নেগেটিভ কোনটা পজিটিভ
initial charge you know, otherwise you cannot solve this question. I have said that initially charge 6 microcoulomb is on this plate.
না মানে কোন প্লেটটা পজিটিভে আছে কোনটা নেগেটিভ
Initially it should be given in your question, otherwise the answer is different.
স্যার তো এখানে আপনি কি ধরেছেন
I have given this plus, that means this charge is positive. I have given that initially this plate has a charge 6 microcoulomb.
Oh.
Right, that is why
Okay,
I have
sir.
taken
Very
polarity of the battery like this.
Okay.
Understood? All right. Now if A is equal to 8 by 3, what is B? B is 10 by 3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is tau? What is tau? 6 seconds. Now you just put the values A, B and tau, you will find the answer.
স্যার আই নট যেটা বের করছি সেটা কি আমরা ক্যাপাসিটর থেকে মানে ইনিশিয়ালি যে কারেন্টটা ফ্লো করবে সেইটা বের করব
Exactly. I naught is the current flowing through the capacitor at t equal to 0. Do you have any doubt? Yes, yes.
Your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking. Everyone, can you?
Now it is okay.
Now it is okay.
Yes,
মাঝে মধ্যে ব্যাক করছে
স্যার
Alright.
আপনি এখানে আই নট এর ডিরেকশনটা অ্যাকচুয়াল ডিরেকশন থেকে উল্টো নিয়েছেন তাই জন্য -5/9 এলো এবার আমি
Yes.
যদি আই নট এর ভ্যালুটা পজিটিভ নিই মানে অন্য ডিরেকশনটাই নিই তাহলে আমারটা তো পজিটিভ আসবে
তাহলে তোমাকে এখানে I এর ভ্যালু মাইনাস dq বাই dt লিখতে হবে।
ওইরকম মডিফিকেশনস গুলো আমি কি করে করব
আগের দিন বললাম আমি যে যেখানে যে প্লেটে চার্জ তুমি বার করতে ইন্টারেস্টেড, সাপোজ আই এম ইন্টারেস্টেড ইন ফাইন্ডিং চার্জ অন দিস প্লেট, সো আই উইল অ্যাজিউম দিস প্লেট টু বি প্লাস কিউ and this plate to be minus q. As soon as I have assumed this plate to be plus q, my current direction is fixed. It should enter into positive plate. Now do whatever needed for this configuration. If you take purposefully current is opposite direction, then you have to put current to be minus dq by dt. There is no other option for that.
and why do we always do this মানে
because I have assumed, while I have assumed this plate positive, I am assuming that charge is increasing with time. Then only I can write current equal to dq dt. If charge is decreasing with time, then I have to write I equal to minus dq by dt. And in that case, you are assuming that current is flowing or carrying away the charge from the plate, flowing out of the plate.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, এর ভ্যালুটা কি করে বার করলেন আরেকবার এক্সপ্লেইন করে দেবেন?
A হলো তোমার দেখো A is q infinity. So at t equal to infinity or steady state, what is the charge on the capacitor plate that I have to calculate? Can you say that at t equal to infinity the circuit looks like this? Do we
Yes,
know
sir.
that t equal to infinity the capacitor plates are opened?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now the current has only one path to flow, this 6, 3 and the battery.
Yes.
What is the current in this branch? Is it 4 divided by 9 ampere?
Yeah.
What is the potential difference across this 3 ohm resistor? It is 4 by 9 into 3 volt, yes or no?
Yes.
And that voltage is appearing on the across the capacitor because there is no current in that resistance. So the voltage at this point and voltage at this point are the same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, understood.
Now let me tell you another shortcut to solve this question. Even you do not have to solve these three equations, right? Do you remember that I have told you that what was tau? Tau is a time constant that does not depend on the battery. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let me draw a very simplified circuit with the battery as short circuited. I have no battery in this circuit. Then also can I say that tau is the same? Now can you see that what is the equivalent resistance between these points P and Q? What is the point P and Q? I have selected this point just across the capacitor. Just across the capacitor, what is equivalent resistance for this network? Can you tell me?
Sir, steady state.
Not I am talking about steady state. I am talking about what is equivalent resistance. When I am finding equivalent resistance in a circuit, does it matter whether it is steady state
It's
or
a 9.
yes?
4 ohm.
Yes. What is equivalent resistance across PQ?
3 ohm.
3 ohm.
3.
3 ohms.
This 6 and 3 they are in parallel, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And with that this 1 ohm are in resistance series in or not?
It's a series.
So can I say that R equivalent is equal to 3 ohm?
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of capacitance? 2 microfarad. Do you remember the time constant tau is nothing but R into C?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is R into C? Is it 6 microsecond?
Yes.
Sir.
Look, the same thing I have got here. So if you know the value of tau, then from the second you don't have to draw the infinite circuit, infinity at t equal to infinity circuit, because now I know that b by tau is equal to 5 by 9. I put the value of tau, I will find the value of b. I put the value of b, I will find the value of a.
স্যার এটা তো ইনফিনিটি সার্কিটটাই, কারণ এখানে তো পি আর কিউর ভেতরে আপনি ক্যাপাসিটরটাকে মানে মানে কি বলবো ভ্যানিশ করে দিয়েছেন, তো
না,
এটা টি ইকুয়াল টু ইনফিনিটিতে নয়।
এটা টি ইকুয়াল টু ইনফিনিটি সার্কিট নয়, তাই সেখানে তো ব্যাটারি ছিল, আমি এখানে ব্যাটারি লাগাইনি তো। It is not equal to infinity circuit. It is not even a circuit at any instant. This circuit can be drawn at any instant. Time constant does not depend on time. Time constant only depends on resistance and capacitance. For a circuit, it is constant every time and for every voltage. So remember that important concept to find time constant, right? Sometimes they only ask you to calculate time constant to check whether you know this concept or not, right? So the time constant, what I will do to find time constant? To find tau, first short battery and then what I will do? Second, find R equivalent across which point?
Across the terminals of capacitor.
Yes, across capacitor. Then find tau is equal to R equivalent into C.
স্যার কিন্তু আই নট আর বার করতে গেলে আমাকে করতেই হবে।
কোনটা করতে হবে?
ওই at initial state.
Yes, initial step করতেই হবে, because you have 3 unknowns, so only one unknown can be solved from this tau, and rest 2 equations you can find from initial condition only. So you can bypass this infinite equal to infinite condition in order to find tau.
Yes.
Understood? But remember, few books what they do, they I don't think this is correct, because they if in the circuit you have more than one capacitors, what you will do? Suppose
তো ইকুয়েশন সলভ করতে
রেজিস্ট্যান্স গুলোকে সরিয়ে দিয়ে ক্যাপাসিটরের ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট ক্যাপাসিট্যান্স বের করে নেব।
that is the wrong process. Why? Suppose I have two capacitors C1 and C2. The question they ask that what is time constant of that circuit, but
কার টাইম কনস্ট্যান্ট জিজ্ঞেস করছে?
yes. Now my question is, which time constant you are asking? Because two capacitors will charge in two different times. So which time constant are you asking? They find C equivalent and R equivalent, they multiply R equivalent into C equivalent. That is absolutely not true. Right? So
তাহলে যে ভ্যালুটা পাবে তার ফিজিক্যাল সিগনিফিকেন্সটা কি হবে?
Physical significance nahi. So that is why I say that this type of question is invalid actually. If you are asking the time constant of a circuit, then in that circuit, which capacitor I will go for? That this is charging in this time, this is
সেই
charging.
টাইপের কোশ্চেন এসেছে আগে?
IIT then definitely not. But yes, this type of question as a function of time, it has come several times, right? But in all the questions,
মানে স্যার আমি দুটো ক্যাপাসিটর জিজ্ঞেস করছি,
yes,
মানে যেটা বললেন।
no, I'm saying in all these circuits, in all these questions, they have only used one capacitor. Whenever IIT has asked some question, they have only used one capacitor. And remember that even if I have two capacitor, right, and if the capacitance are of the same value, then I can use that concept. Because if the capacitors are same and similar in the circuit, they are placed similar. Suppose two capacitors are in parallel, both of them are having the same value. Then you can use that concept, because both the capacitors will charge in the same time, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then that has a physical significance. But again, this type of questions, whenever they will ask you, they will ask you to find the time constant or the value of these functions for only one capacitor circuit. Most of the place you will find only one capacitor circuit. And if you find two capacitors in that circuit, that also can be solved. But not in that way, C equivalent, R equivalent. In this way that I have just solved. If in the circuit there are more than one capacitors. Yes?
তখন যখন ইনিশিয়াল স্টেটটা ধরবো ফর মোর দ্যান ওয়ান ক্যাপাসিটর, আর আমি কোনো একটা পার্টিকুলার ক্যাপাসিটর কনসিডার করছি, হ্যাঁ,
Yes.
তো তার টাইম ইকুইভ্যালেন্টটা যদি আমি ওই পার্টিকুলার ক্যাপাসিটরের অ্যাক্রসে ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট রেজিস্ট্যান্স বার করি,
কিন্তু ওই পার্টিকুলার ক্যাপাসিটরের অ্যাক্রসে তো আরেকটা ক্যাপাসিটরও চলে আসবে ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট রেজিস্ট্যান্স বার করার সময়।
আচ্ছা,
তাই না? তো মোর দ্যান ওয়ান ক্যাপাসিটরের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যাভয়েড করো, যদি থাকেও কোয়েশ্চেনে, বাই চান্স যদি রেয়ারলি if you get one question where more than two capacitors are there and they are not symmetrical, C1, C2, C3 anything, তখন তুমি কি করবে? এই কন্ডিশন দুটোকেই দুবার ইউজ করবে। Q1 equal to A1 plus B1 e power minus t by tau 1, I1 equal to minus B by tau 1 e power minus t by tau 1, and same thing for Q2 I2 and tau 2 A2 B2. Understood?
ইকুয়েশনস পাবো।
Yeah, so basically you have now 6 unknowns, and
অনেক বড় হয়ে যাবে
definitely it will be a very lengthy calculation, right? And that is why I am saying that this type of question has never been asked, and it will never be there in your question paper, right? Let us solve few questions with this type of circuits. How many questions we have? Yes, there are 4 questions. Only 4 more questions are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us solve them one by one. First, try to solve this one. Parallel plate capacitor has plate area A, separation D, dielectric constant K, and resistivity rho filled between the plates. The switch is closed to connect the capacitor to a cell of EMF V, write the steady state current in the circuit and charge on the capacitor. So steady state current is definitely 0, and what is the steady state charge that we can find? Q equal to C into V, right? So what is C? This circuit can be simplified and redrawn like this. There is a capacitor and you can draw a resistance with that capacitor because the dielectric has a resistivity now, right? And what is the resistance and capacitance? Capacitor is equal to K into A epsilon divided by D, and the resistance is equal to rho into D divided by A. Bolo.
ওই সেকেন্ডের কোশ্চেনটার অ্যানসার কি কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু ওই সিভি টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস টি বাই ল্যামডা সরি টাও?
হ্যাঁ, এটা কমন ফাংশন একটা।
ডিসচার্জিং অফ ক্যাপাসিটর কনসেপ্ট ইজ ডাইরেক্ট।
So initially charge on the capacitor was 0. This is V. So what is the steady state current? Steady state current is equal to 0. What is steady state charge in the capacitor? Steady state charge in the capacitor is equal to C into V. That is K into A epsilon to V by D. When the circuit is in steady state, switch S is opened. So initially it was closed, now it is opened. Now I have to write down the function of the charge of the capacitor as a function of time, right? So as it is opened now, so this will be opened means I have opened that circuit. When the charge is in steady state, the switch S is opened at t equal to 0 as a function of time after this. Yes. So what it will happen? You can see that this resistance is basically inside the capacitor. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I say that initial charge on this plate was Q naught, and at any instant the charge on this plate is Q, right? And in that case I have to assume the current to be in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can I say that current which is dq by dt, that is equal to Q divided by C divided by R?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this expression? So from
Yes.
there it is very easy to calculate Q as a function of time, right? dq by Q is equal to dt by RC. Yes or no? And what was t equal to 0? The charge was Q naught, and finally the charge is Q.
স্যার ওইদিকে মানে ইলেকট্রিসিটির ডিরেকশনটা ওই দিয়ে কেন নিলেন আগে বলুন?
কেন নিলাম এদিকে কারেন্টের ডিরেকশন, কেন বলতে পারবে?
আপনি বললেন চার্জিং ক্যাপাসিটর কনসেপ্টটা লাগালে dq বাই dt টা পজিটিভ লিখতে হবে।
ইয়েস, কারণ আমি এই প্লেটটাকে পজিটিভ চার্জ ধরেছি, এই প্লেটটার চার্জ কিউ ধরেছি কোন একটা ইনস্ট্যান্টে, যাতে dq বাই dt টাকে পজিটিভ লিখতে হয় তাই এটা লিখেছি। তুমি যদি কারেন্ট এইদিকে লিখো কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, তার জন্য এখানে কি দিতে হবে? একটা নেগেটিভ সাইন, রাইট? So can I say that it is ln of Q by Q naught, ln of Q by Q naught, dq by Q, dq by Q is ln Q is equal to T by RC, right? Is there any problem in this? This is charge Q naught, and this is plus, this is minus, this is plus Q, this is minus Q. Okay, what is potential difference? I have made some mistake.
Minus Q by C.
Yes, it will be minus Q by C. Look, current is from here to here, and this is at higher potential. Yes or no? as I have assumed this plus Q, this is minus Q. So which one is at higher potential? This one?
Yes, sir.
So the potential difference will be minus Q by C. Have you understood this one? Earlier, the yes.
স্যার নাহলে আপনি একটা কাজ করতে পারেন কি আপনি ওই কারেন্টটাকে হায়ার পটেনশিয়াল থেকে লোয়ার পটেনশিয়ালে নিয়ে যান আর
তাহলে এখানে মাইনাস একই জিনিস আসবে। যদি কারেন্ট আমি এইদিকে ধরি তাহলে এটার আগে একটা মাইনাস দিয়ে দেবো, আর যদি কারেন্ট আমি এইদিকে ধরি তাহলে dq dt পজিটিভ, বাট হিয়ার দ্য পোটেনশিয়াল ডিফারেন্স ইজ নেগেটিভ, সো দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই আই হ্যাভ টু রাইট আ মাইনাস সাইন। So that will be the function of charge as a function of time, q naught into e power minus t by rc. And you can find what is r into c from this equation. It will be rho into k epsilon.
So can you explain once again why the potential difference is negative?
Can you see the positive plate? Which one is positive plate? This one, and this is negative plate. So if I say that current is flowing from this side to this side, so that should be at higher potential? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I have to subtract this potential from this potential. So if you subtract this from this, whether you will get plus or minus?
Yes, sir.
Minus. Have you understood the solution?
Yes, sir.
In this circuit, power dissipated in the resistance R and 2R at an instant after the switch is closed. At any instant after the switch is closed are 9 watt and 2 watt. What is the rate of increase in energy stored at this particular instant?
Sir, 4 watt.
For what?
Huh?
Yes, it may be answered. What we can do, I think, that suppose at that particular instant, the current in this branch is I1 and current in this branch is I2. So can I say current
Sir,
in this
I
branch?
square R equal to power formula লাগাতে পারি তো?
Yes, definitely. So current in this branch is I1 plus I2. According to your question,
Which branch, sir?
yes, this branch. If this branch current is I2, this branch current is I1, that branch current is definitely I1 plus I2, yes or no?
Yes.
According to your question, it says that I1 square R, I1 plus I2 whole square, I1 plus I2 square R is equal to 9 watt, and I1 square 2R is equal to 2 watt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from there I can do one thing. I can say I1 plus I2 divided by I1 is equal to 1. If I take a ratio of that, so I1 plus I2 is equal to I1. It will be 3. Root 9 is 3. So I can say that 2I1 is equal to I2. Right? So I2 is equal to 2I1, that I can find. I2 is equal to 2I1. Okay. I have to find what is the rate of increase in energy stored in capacitor at this instant. So at this instant, can you tell me what is the potential difference across capacitor? What is potential difference across capacitor? Can you tell me?
I1 into 2R.
I1 into 2R. Right? I1 into 2R. Right? So what is the energy in the capacitor? Energy in capacitor U. Can I say is equal to half CV square?
Yes, sir.
What is the rate of increase in energy stored in capacitor? So it is asking for du by dt, I think. Right? It is asking for du by dt. So if I find
2 square by 2c यूज कर ले क्या होता माने हाफ c v स्क्वायर यूज कर ले क्या होता
হাফ সিভি স্কয়ারও ইউজ করতে পারতে, কারণ কিন্তু ডিভি বাই ডিটি আমার জানা নাই এই ইনস্ট্যান্টে, কিন্তু ডিকিউ বাই ডিটি জানা আছে।
dq by dt तो 2i
yes
2i ना
yes dq by dt is equal to I2. dq by dt equal to I2 or not?
yes sir
Yes.
अच्छा
Yes, sir.
So I can say that du by dt is equal to 2q into dq by dt.
sir work done by battery minus এই যে পাওয়ার লস করলেই তো হয়ে যাবে work done
তোমাকে
by
রেট
battery
অফ ইনক্রিজ বলেছে, রেট অফ ইনক্রিজ ইন এনার্জি স্টোরড।
হ্যাঁ তো work done যে ব্যাটারিটা করছে মানে power given by the battery is some lost in the resistor plus the increase in the capacitor
yes
তাহলে তো হয়ে গেল স্যার কি আপনি শুধু এইটা বার করে নিন না v into i টা তাহলে তো
আচ্ছা দেখো এখান থেকেও তো হয়ে গেল, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
মাইনাস করে দিবেন
Look, q by c again, what is q by c? It is delta v or not?
yes sir
Q by c is delta v. So I can use delta v is equal to I1 into 2R. So this is 2R into I1 into I2,
yes
right? So I1 into I2, I can now say 2I1 is equal to I2, or I2 is equal to 2I1, right? I2 is equal to 2I1. So it is 4R into I1 square, right?
yes sir
So I1 square into 2R, I1 square R is equal to 1, so that will be 4 watt.
1 4
Yes, 4 watt will be the answer of this question. Yes, in this question, S1 is closed at t equal to 0. S1 is closed at t equal to 0 with S2 open. Here, can you see that the two capacitors are same? So here I can use that equivalent concept, yes or no?
yes sir
Because if you take any one of them, the other equations will be the same. So I can say that the equivalent network, the equivalent capacitor and resistance and battery is there. So C equivalent is 2C, R equivalent is R by 2 plus R 3R by 2. So can I say that the function of charge will be A equal to B, because A plus B will be 0. Initial charge of the capacitor was 0. Yes or no? So current will be,
yes sir
yes, it will be 2C into V, 1 minus e power minus t by tau. Tau is equal to 3R by 2 into 2C. Yes or no?
yes sir
Have you got that equation as your first answer?
sir current ले जेतो so we have part
Yes, yes.
आपने तो चार्ज bar करना है
What is the final charge on this plate?
sir dt respect to differentiate করতে হবে না current
Yes, I have to find the current, right? So current will be minus minus plus whatever, it will be 2CV divided by 3RC. into e power minus t by 3 RC. Can I write that?
Yes, sir. This is the answer.
That is the current.
Sir, first equation একবার explain করে দেবেন?
Yes. I have assumed the current charge to be here Q, and this current is I. Right? So at t equal to 0, if I write this equation, at t equal to 0, what is current? Can you tell me what is current at t equal to 0? Is
Minus
it V divided by 3R by 2? Yes or no? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, and what is tau?
Yes.
Tau is 3RC. So, what is B?
সাউন্ডটা বড়
বলো।
ডিস্টার্ব হচ্ছে সাউন্ডটা।
সাউন্ড ডিস্টার্ব হচ্ছে, তোমার আওয়াজ তো ডিস্টার্ব করছে, বাকিদের সবারই কি আমার সাউন্ড প্রবলেম হচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
মাঝে মাঝে
মাঝে মাঝে ক্র্যাক করছে। এখন কি আছে? এখন ঠিক আছে না ক্র্যাক করছে বলো, তাহলে নেটওয়ার্ক চেঞ্জ করো।
এখন ঠিকই আছে।
এখন ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা তাহলে দেখো, B is equal to, if tau is equal to 3RC, then B is equal to 2V by 3RC. So what will be the value of B? B is equal to 2VC.
minus 2VC আসছে।
B is equal to
minus 2VC।
minus 2VC, ঠিক আছে। And what is A plus B?
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল স্যার, বলছি যে ওই বি কারেন্টটা তো দুটো ব্রাঞ্চে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট হচ্ছে,
But I have to find the current through battery as a function of time.
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ
Net current I have to find.
ঠিক আছে।
So what is A plus B? A plus B was 0 initially. Initial charge on the capacitor 0, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can say that A is equal to A plus B equal to 0. So A is equal to 2C into V. So I have just used this equation. A plus B e power minus T by tau.
স্যার ওটা তো এ আর বি তো আপনার ডাইরেক্ট ফার্স্ট ইকুয়েশন থেকে বেরিয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ, আমি এটাকে তাও বার করলাম, ও বললো যে ক্যালকুলেট করতে, এখান থেকেই সবকিছুই বেরিয়ে গেছে। Now the second question, if at t equal to 3RC, S2 is closed and S1 is opened. So at t equal to 3RC, what is the value of the charge? The value of the charge at t equal to 3RC, 2CV into 1 minus e power minus 1, yes or no? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
say that at this instant, and what is the heat dissipation after that? Right? What is the heat dissipation after that? So at this instant, if you see what is the circuit looks like this. After S1 is opened, yes or no?
স্যার S2 এট
S2 is closed.
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে ওখানে একটা ওয়্যার ঠিক আছে।
Yes, S2 is closed. Now this charge will be Q by 2 and this charge will be Q by 2, yes or no? Because
Yes,
battery has totally sent a charge plus Q.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the total energy of the capacitors that will only dissipate through heat?
Sir, the entire energy.
Yes. Because
sir.
there is no connection of battery, so work done by battery is 0. So heat energy is equal to delta U, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is equal to 2 into Q square by 2C. And what is Q? Q by 2 whole square.
Yes, sir.
So that is q square by 4c. That should be the answer of this question.
Sir?
4, yes.
বলছি ওই S1 মানে ওই মিডলের যে ওয়্যারটার ওটার ফাংশন কি ছিল তাহলে?
S1 না S2?
না S2 টা ক্লোজ করলাম তো ওটা তো
S2 ক্লোজ করলে বলেই এই চার্জগুলো ডিসিপেট হলো। S2 যদি ক্লোজ না করতে তাহলে এদের অ্যাক্রসে কখনোই কারেন্ট ফ্লো হতো না, কারণ এটার পোটেনশিয়ালও জিরো, এটার পোটেনশিয়ালও জিরো, আর এটারও যা পোটেনশিয়াল এটারও তাই পোটেনশিয়াল।
ওকে ওকে
রাইট? তুমি কেভিএল লুপ লিখলে পেতে কারেন্ট ইকুয়াল টু জিরো, বাট যখনই আমি এটা ক্লোজ করে দিয়েছি তার মানে এই কারেন্টটা এই পাথ দিয়ে উপরে ফ্লো করে যাবে আর এই পাথ দিয়ে নিচে ফ্লো করে যাবে। Have you got your solution? 4c square divided by 4c, that means c v square, I think, right? 1 minus 1 by e whole square. Is that the solution answer? So last question eta solve kora jak. In this circuit the switch was closed for a long time. এই সুইচটা প্রথমে ক্লোজ করা ছিল। At t equal to 0 the switch is opened. Find the current through the battery after that as a function of time. Have you solved it?
So 4 epsilon by 5r into e to the power minus 5t by 3 rc.
Okay, let's solve this circuit first. It's saying that switch was closed for a long time. When switch was closed for a long time, so just before opening it, that means I'm talking about t equal to 0 plus, right? At t equal to 0 minus, the circuit was something like this, just before closing that or opening that switch. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So in that circuit, what is the current through that branch? Is it
2 epsilon by 5r.
yes, that is E divided by R by 2 plus 2R, 5R by 2. So what is the potential drop across this resistance? Is it 2E by 5?
2e by 5.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
at t equal to 0 plus, at t equal to 0 plus, can I say that now as soon as I opened that switch, my circuit,
0 মাইনাস তো সুইচটা অফ ছিল।
yes,
0 মাইনাস সুইচটা অফ ছিল, তাহলে ওই মাঝের রেজিস্ট্যান্স দিয়ে তো কারেন্ট যাবে না।
মাঝের রেজিস্ট্যান্স বলতে
ওই সাইডে ব্রাঞ্চিং যেটা আছে, হ্যাঁ ওইটা আগেরটা, হ্যাঁ এটা
এই দুটো দিয়ে আগে তো কারেন্ট যাচ্ছিল, কেন যাবে না?
ওই
এটা
যেটা
ক্লোজ করা
ব্রাঞ্চ,
ছিল।
হ্যাঁ ওইটা
হ্যাঁ, এটা দিয়ে ইনিশিয়ালি at t equal to 0 minus, t equal to 0 minus এ তো কারেন্ট যাচ্ছিল এটা দিয়ে, but I am talking about t equal to 0 plus when I just open that switch. Now can I say that my circuit will look like this? Can you see this is my circuit at t equal to 0 plus? Tell me yes or no.
স্যার কিন্তু ওই সুইচটা তো ক্লোজ থাকবে।
বলো।
ওই সুইচটা এসটা ক্লোজ নাই, ক্লোজ
Open though, at t equal to 0 it is open.
ওকে।
Now let us assume that the current in this circuit is this way, right? Current is in this way. So can I say this is I naught at t equal to 0 plus the current I naught? can I calculate what the value of this current will be? If I say this is 0, that will be 2e by 5. This is 0, so that is e. If this is x, right? So can I find what is the current? I have to find I naught. So look, I am saying that e minus x by r, or say minus, it is going outside, I am saying x minus e by r plus x minus 2e by 5 divided by r plus x minus 0 divided by 2r equal to 0. Can I find this equation? Can I write this equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll multiply it with 2. So it is 2x minus 2e plus 2x minus 4e by 5 plus x equal to 0. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 14e by 5, right? So we can say that x equal to 14e by 25. Have you got this one, x? So what is the value of I naught? The value of I naught in this circuit,
E minus 14e by 25 by r.
x minus, yes, 14e by 25 minus 2e by 5 divided by r, yes or no? I naught, is this correct? X minus 2e by 5 divided by r, right?
Sir,
So it is
apni I naught কেন বার করছেন? আপনাকে তো কারেন্ট থ্রু ব্যাটারি বলেছে না?
current through battery. Yes, that also I can find, no problem.
ব্যাটারি
That also I can find. So I have assumed this
এটাকে
current.
বার করার প্রয়োজন আছে?
না, সার্কিটে তোমাকে টাও বার করতে গেলে কি করে বার করবে? এই কারেন্টটা তুমি আই অ্যাজিউম করছো।
হ্যাঁ,
Sir,
E minus x
Sir,
Yes,
এই epsilon naught minus x by r এর আগে মাইনাসটা কারেন্ট আবার বলবো?
আমি এইদিকে কারেন্ট ধরেছি, এটা এইদিকে, এটা এইদিকে,
ও,
এটা
ঠিক
এইদিকে,
আছে,
তবে তো তিনটাকে প্লাস করে 0 করেছি।
ক্যাপাসিটরের এন্ড পয়েন্টস গুলোতে আমরা আর ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট ক্যালকুলেট করে বের করতে পারবো না?
টাওয়ের ভ্যালু, হ্যাঁ টাওয়ের ভ্যালু সেটা ক্যালকুলেট করতে পারবে তো? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য, হ্যাঁ বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, তাহলে তো পেয়ে গেছে।
আসছে টাওয়ের ভ্যালু।
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ, তো তাহলে সেটাই তো বলছি, তাহলে তো কিছু দরকার নেই। সো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ভ্যালু অফ টাও if I use the equivalent resistance across these 2 points? What will be the value of equivalent resistance?
3r by 5.
Yes, across these 2 points, if I short this circuit, I have shorted this circuit, I have shorted this current or the battery, yes, then this is the resistance, this is one resistance, this is another resistance, this is another resistance, and this is the other. So this 2 is 2R and R. Can I say this R and 2R are in series or parallel?
Sir, parallel.
R and 2 are parallel, so it will be 2R by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2R by
5R
3
by 3
with this R in series. So R equivalent is 5R by 3. So tau is equal to 5 RC by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now let us assume that current, that charge in that capacitor as a function, charge follows this function a plus b e power minus t by tau. So current follows this function b by tau minus b by tau e power minus t by tau. So what is current at t equal to 0? Can I say it is minus b by tau? And that value is equal to 4e by 25r.
Yes, sir.
Right? So I know the value of tau, 5rc by 3. So b is equal to minus 4e by 25r into 5rc by 3. Right? R gets cancelled out, 5 gets cancelled out. So that is 4 CE by 15. Yes or no? Minus
sir.
4 CE by 15. Okay. And what is the value of A? What is A plus B?
A plus B is 2 EC by 5.
2 EC by 5, because initial charge on this capacitor plate was not 0. At the moment you open that, this capacitor had a charge C into V. V is 2 E by 5. So it is 2 CE by 5. 2 CE by 5. Right? So from these two equations, I can find what is the value of A. What is the value of A now? A is equal to 2 CE by 5 plus 4 CE by 15. So it is 10 CE by 15, I think.
ये तो बेर करा दरकार नहीं
अच्छा আমাকে শুধু কারেন্ট বার করতে বলেছে ঠিক again I have got the solution, so no problem in finding it. B is equal to minus 4 by 15 and this is equal to 6 by 15, so 10 by 15, so it is 2 by 3 CE. Right? Now I know what is the value of charge, what is the value of current. Now, but I have got this current, right? I have got this current, but I have to find this current. I prime, suppose this current. How do I find this current? I prime.
E minus X by R. Epsilon minus X by R.
Yes, epsilon minus X by R. But what is X? X is
14 epsilon by 25.
But that is only the initial value. Is it true every time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is only the initial value.
I not to ওটাই বেরাবে
I not ওটা বেরোবে, but I am not interested to find the current at t equal to 0 only. I have to find
e to the power minus t by RC লাগিয়ে দিবেন ওখানে
I not into. Why I not into e power minus t by RC?
At any point of time.
No, I have to find, look, this current is I naught and this now the potential.
Wait, I prime into e to the power minus t by tau.
I prime. Okay, let me calculate it first. Let us assume this current I have calculated I. We know the value of current I, right? We know the value of current I, but I have to find the value of current I prime, right? So what I can use this equation. Can I use this equation? Minus I prime R minus IR minus Q divided by C plus E equal to 0. Can I use this equation in this loop?
KVL. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
KVL equation. And I
Yes,
know
sir.
all the values except I prime. I can find I prime directly from this equation. So what is I prime? If I take it here, then I prime is equal to E minus Q by C divided by R. E minus Q by C divided by R and minus I. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is E by R minus Q by CR, right? What is Q by CR? We can find that Q is equal to A plus B. A plus B is 2CE divided by 3 minus.
Sir, ওই Qটা তো আপনি at any point of time লিখছেন না?
Yes. Any point of time.
তো
Q divided by RC into E power minus sorry.
Yes, sir.
এখানে this will be E power minus T by tau. That is a lengthy equation, and minus the value of I. You can find it.
Sir, minus B by tau by e to the power e minus
Yes,
tau.
yes, that equation. Yes. So that is E by R. If you just calculate it, minus CC will get cancelled out. So 2e by 3r, then it will be plus 4e by 15r e power minus t by tau, minus I is plus b by tau. B by tau is 4e by 15r, 25r into e power minus t by tau, right? So now you can further simplify this. What is e minus 2e by r? It is e by 3r, I think, 3 by 3r. So it is e by 3r, and it is 4e by 15r plus 4e by 25r. Have I written it correct? B, yes. So 4e by 15 and 25. What I should take? 75, I think, right? So 75 means plus 20 plus 3. I think it will be 23 by 75 r into e power minus t by tau. Something like that. If I have not done any calculation mistake. 5, 25 into 20 and
32r by
3. কোনটা মাইনাস হবে বলো তো?
32 হবে
40 by 25 r এর আগে মাইনাস
3 3 4 হ্যাঁ it will be 32. কোনটা মাইনাস হবে?
40 by 25 r এর আগে মাইনাস আই আছে তো এখানে মাইনাস হবে
minus I is there.
মাইনাস মাইনাস কিন্তু মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে
আচ্ছা sorry I is minus b by tau and b is negative. Yes, that will be minus.
Yes.
b is negative. I have taken b positive. Yes, so you have to
আপনার ওই আই নটটাতে একটা মাইনাস লাগবে
I not a
আই নটে এখানে একটা মাইনাস 4e by 25 আর
now b by minus b by tau is this one. b এর ভ্যালুটা নেগেটিভ বের হবে
ইয়েস মাইনাস
সো এটা কত হয়ে যাবে তাহলে 20 minus 12 8 I think, right? Yes, I think that will be the answer. This is the current through the battery as a function of time. Basically, I have to find the current through the capacitor branch. That was the problem in RC circuit. Then I have just added a KVL equation to find out the current in other branch. Is this okay, everyone?